right, you guys, we're about to start the process. I want my roots to stay dark, but we're gonna try to dye everything because she said my roots will grow out in like a week or two, and I want a little bit of black root showing, so let's do this, guys. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. It's time for a change. I'm bored. I need a change. I need a change. I'll go back black eventually. I'm just hoping my hair doesn't fall out because this is all my hair. Wish me luck.
Chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby. Stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. All over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me. I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby. Stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. All over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Twerking. Damn. Always thinking of you.
Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after the first day of bleaching. We bleached it 4 different times and my hair still feels so incredibly healthy and soft. The ends even feel amazing and nothing broke. Like, I can't even believe that nothing broke. I'm gonna step like back a little bit because my like lights are washing me out a little bit. But none of my hair broke, which is amazing. Tara for sure thought that something was gonna break and she was like, you might need a haircut, and I was like, please no. So thank you, Jesus. Thank you. I actually love this color. It's like a golden ashy blonde. She ended up toning it so that way I just don't have orange hair for 5 days. I'm gonna be Olaplexing and conditioning my hair for the next 5 days, every day or every other day, just so it can get ready for bleach again on Tuesday. But I like actually love the color and I have a little tan right now, so with makeup I think it'll look really good. I think I'm actually gonna film a new video tomorrow. So yeah, that's the update. I'm super excited. I can't wait. I actually wasn't that nervous at all. Like, even with my hair being crazy and orange, I was like, okay, it's fine. Like, it'll get there. Aspen, what is it? What is it, little girl? Look how cute. They went to the vet today. I'm like twinning with Molly right now. I wanted to give you guys my little update. So I'm actually loving the hair. And I shall be back in a couple days when we finish. All right, y'all ready for this? Ah, it's my new hair. Oh my gosh. Can you guys even believe that this is my freaking hair? Excuse my beauty room, it's a disaster right now. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe it? So the goal was not to be this color. The goal was to be platinum, white, silver. That's the whole vibe that I was going for. That's what I wanted. We bleached my hair, as you saw, 5 times. I'm shocked that it didn't fall off my head. We did cut some off of it. I cut like 3 inches off just so it's really healthy and feels really nice. But I'm gonna be doing it again in probably a month, maybe a little bit more than a month, trying to go silver. So that's what I was hoping for, we really did. But my hair was jet black, and not just black, I think it's 1B, right? 1B black. And it was jet black box dye hair on my ends. My ends is what wasn't lifting. The last step we did was the last bleach and then the last color remover. So that lifted my ends a lot, but she was surprised it's even this light. Let me go outside so I can show you guys like in daylight. So this is it, you guys. Thanks for all the love. I know on my goldish brown blonde color it was before, you guys freaking loved it and made me feel so good. I had to rock that hair for a couple days, but I really loved the color. I was in need of a change, and it was either gonna be color or chopping all my hair off, and I decided not to chop my hair off. But whenever I do go back to black eventually, I might go for like a lob, but I really wanted to switch it up. And it's so weird because I never thought that I would leave black. I had ombre a couple of years ago, and I was like, I'm never going back light. I love my black hair, and I miss my black hair, but your girl needed a change. I needed some change. I needed something fresh. It was time. I love it. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video. I hope you love my hair. Please no mean comments because it's just hair color. Like, it's not that serious. Don't like make me feel bad about it because I freaking love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited to play with it. I'm gonna go get some clip-in extensions this weekend. So that way, just for some fullness and a little bit of length, since I did cut like 3 inches off. But I love it. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wanted to take you guys along with me on this journey because it was such a big deal for me. Before I made the decision to go light, I looked on YouTube for black to platinum, and there were a lot of different videos. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film one and do my experience. Make sure to check the description bar for all of the products that Tara used on my hair. I'll put them all down there. Also, I might not have another video this week. If I will, it will be on Sunday. But if not, I will have 2 videos up, regular programming next week. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not already a part of my A-team, and turn those notifications on so that way you know when I upload. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.